And so here we are at PowerDirector, and I wanted to show how PowerDirector on the phone, in this case an Android phone, does not produce projects that will carry over easily to the PC. The project files aren't going to go. You can make a movie and move the movie to the PC, but as far as the actual project, well, that's not going to go. So we go to the projects. Just select any old project here, and we will hit export, and see this export to Cyberlink Cloud here at the bottom, right there. Okay, we hit export, and you wait a good long time, and this will send it to the cloud, the Cyberlink Cloud. Now, you could use these for transferring to another device, another Android device, but you can't use that to go to a PC. I don't know if you could use it to go from Android to Apple iPhone, possibly, but you're not going to use these files to go to the PC and have your project remain intact. It just doesn't work that way. Okay, we'll hit done. Now, what would normally happen if we were on another PC, we could go to File, Download Project from Cyberlink Cloud, and there are projects. I've tried to do this multiple times, so they're all the same. The top one would be the latest one. So we say, okay, download. Now that should move the project over, but it doesn't. Here's what happens. It says download complete, click to open. Then it says an error occurred while opening this media file in the media library. It may be because the file is broken, an unsupported format, protected video content, or for any other reason. Try contacting your video provider for a different video format. And it is a .pdm file, as we can see there. So it's not going to open that, and through the research I got, it's because it came from a phone file. So it's completely useless for this. If you're thinking like I was, that if you bought the version for the PC and for the phone, that you would have a solution, you do not. You can't do it. They're not compatible. Very few things make it worth getting both just for overall work. The only way I'm going to be able to use the phone version is I can be on the go, make a version of a full video, and then send the full video, but I can't make a project that I can manipulate later.